Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for May 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Gemini. What's up with you ngayong May? So, kuha tayo ng mga info dito sa ating mga astro dice and runes. Okay, so you have Jupiter in Aquarius in the 5th house. You have Manas, Elhaz, and Urus. Okay, basahin muna natin tong sa astrology. You have Jupiter in the 5th house. So, this is about your creativity. So, maaring marami kang ideas. Luck is on your side, kumbaga, when it comes to creativity. Tapping into your talents, your skill set. Yung iba sa inyo, mas marami kayong experiences para mag-enjoy. Ito yung mga never before na-experience ninyo. Yung mga first time experiences na talagang mag-enjoy kayo. Can be traveling with your family, with your loved ones, with your kids, kung meron ka ng kids. Some of you, pwede rin merong unexpected baby na parating, no? So, syempre, kung kayo ay hindi pa kayo ready to have kids, so medyo mag-ingat. But kung ready ka na, then congratulations. So, kasi there is a big possibility that magkakaroon ng baby. Oo. May pregnancy dito. And then I also see opportunities for you abroad. Maari ring merong mga bago kang friends na makikilala through your work, through your passion, lalo na kung nagiging part ka ng isang community na kung saan pareho kayo ng mga interes. So, maaring makapag-gain ka ng bagong friends dyan. Oo. So, any community, any groups na kabibilangan mo. So, you have, this is Ihwas. Okay, Ihwas is about travel. Nasabi ko kanina Manas, no? But this is Ihwas. This is about traveling, teamwork. So, talagang, it makes sense that you will be working with some people. Meron kang mga makaka-collaborate. So, if you are a content creator, social media influencer, working with others, pwede rin sa trabaho mo, may mga bago kang projects, may mga bago kang pagkakaabalahan. Ayan. You have Elhaz. Elhaz is about protection. So, maaring mas palalakasin mo rin yung protection mo sa sarili mo, lalo na kung madalas kang makisalamuha sa mas maraming tao. Lalo na if you are someone who is spiritual at naniniwala ka na people can drain your energy. So, talagang poproteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. Maaring may mga rituals ka na gagawin, or you will use some tools para ma-protectionan mo yung energy mo, like mga bracelets or forms of divination or yung mga way to distress, to drain talaga. Parang mag-relax, no? Para ma-relax ka. Like meditation, praying, ayan. You also have Urus. So, talking about pagiging malakas. So, palalakasin mo rin yung sarili mo. Kasi Urus is about strength, vitality. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, sasali kayo sa mga fun run or yung mga athletic clubs or health clubs. Maaring mag-gym na kayo, no? This is about strengthening your body, your immunity. So, mas talagang gusto nyo mas maging malakas, malusog, masigla. Ayan. Kasi magiging busy ka. You will do a lot of things. Traveling, learning. Maaring may mga multitasking ka rin na gagawin para ma-accomplish mo yung mga sinet mo na goals para sa sarili mo. Let's see what else, Gemini. Okay. Uy, oh my God. 'Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, may pregnancy. Oo. Fertility, oh. So, if you've been wanting to have a baby, ayan, maaring ito ay mangyayari na ngayong May. And yung iba naman, this can be yung productivity, no? Yung pagiging masipag mo, marami kang kayang gawin. Oh my God. 'Di ba, Gemini? Parang talagang ah, ito ay binavalidate, no? Yung nabasa natin kanina dito sa mga astro dice tsaka sa runes. Organization. So, maaring magiging parte ka ng isang organization or maaring ikaw yung leader ng organization. So, this is about planning rin. So, maaring, yun nga, marami kang asikasuin, marami kang gagawin. So, you will use your energy, your skills para ma-manage mo yung mga kailangan mong ma-accomplish. And you also have good cheer. So, ito yung mga taong nagsusupport sa'yo. You will be supported by the people na talagang naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. So, you don't have to worry about that dahil may mga, merong mga taong very supportive of your work. Mga, whatever you are working on. And kung may mga times mo na parang feeling down ka, merong mag-uplift sa'yo, no? Merong mag-i-inspire sa'yo, magmo-motivate sa'yo. What else do we have for Gemini? Ngayong May, ano ba? You have the 5 of Cups. Okay, so you have the Page of Cups. I think yung mga na-miss out mo na opportunity before, ay babalikan mo or gagawan mo ng paraan para magawa mo siya. Kasi pwedeng wala kang time before, ngayon meron na. You have the Queen of Wands. This is your confidence. Tiwala mo sa sarili mong kakayanan. Very, parang action-oriented ka ngayon. But like what I mentioned kanina, you have to protect your energies kasi the more na mas na-expose ka sa maraming tao, the more na makaka-attract ka ng mga taong, haters or, alam mo na, di ba? Yung example sa social media, the more na sumisikat ang isang tao, the more na mas dumadami yung kanyang followers at yung haters. So, protect your energies. And also, when it comes to your decision making, maging maingat sa mga desisyon na gagawin mo. Dahil maaring parang malito ka doon sa priorities mo. Oo. Let's see. And syempre, later part, 'di ba, ng May, Gemini season. So, maaring meron kang mga changes na gagawin sa iyong sarili. So, financially, magiging maingat ka sa pag-handle ng pera mo. Kailangan daw maging reasonable yung budget plan mo. You have to take control of your money, your spending, and also, maaring meron kang sitwasyon sa trabaho, sa business mo na kailangan mo ng pagtitiwala sa sarili mo at also pagtitiwala rin sa pananampalataya mo, no, yung sa Diyos, ano man yung iyong pina-follow na religion. Watch out. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong mag-ingat kayo sa mga tao rin na makaka-deal ninyo, lalo na at mas exposed kayo at mas marami kayong makakausap, lalo na sa pera, no? Baka mamaya, meron dyang mangsa-scam, 'di ba? So, be very careful. Let's see sa love life. You have freedom. O yan. Don't let anyone take control of your love life but you. Yes. Ikaw magiging in control of your love life. Everything makes sense now. So, anumang sitwasyon mo sa relationship mo, whether single ka or meron kang partner, alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo every time na meron kang challenge. Kakaroon ka ng clarity. Especially if you are in a situation na unrequited, yung tipong ikaw lang yung nag-e-effort sa relationship. No? So, maaring mahihimasmasan ka na. Maliliwanagan ka na kailangan pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, 'di ba? Give and take. Hindi lang yung isa ang give ng give at yung isa ay take lang ng take. Work, achievement, success. Oh my goodness. Yes, Gemini. Meron kang ma-achieve sa iyong career, trabaho, very successful. Dealings or relationship with an older man. So, pwedeng this is the person na kasama mo sa trabaho, or this is the person na ka-relasyon mo. Oo. Someone working against behind your back. So, ito na nga, Gemini. Meron kayong hidden enemies. That's why you have to be very careful. Something important such as a new job or a raise. Uy, ang ganda. Career-wise, maganda ang energies for you. Maganda ang pasok ng pera, ng opportunities. And maging maingat lang no, sa mga pakikisalamuhaan nyo. So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.